your WTVA Severe Weather Authority forecast with meteorologist Joel Young.
Welcome back. You're watching WTVA 9 News today at 4:44. We still are tracking these thunderstorms moving through. A lot of lightning with these. The main threats this morning as you head out the door will be frequent lightning and heavy rainfall for your morning commute. Some areas that are going to be impacted at least within the next 15 minutes right here over eastern Pontotoc County. This particular thunderstorm kind of moving to the east at roughly 30 miles per hour. We'll put another track on that and let you know exactly where that's heading. That's basically right along the Pontotoc-Lee County line, basically moving into Chesterville right now. That's going to be moving into Tupelo proper, or Tupelo within the city limits, by about 4:54. So we're looking in the next 5 to 10 minutes in Tupelo. Tombigbee State Park, Plantersville, these areas probably by the top of the hour. And as we go into the 5:15 to 5:30 time frame, we're looking at those storms moving into parts of northwestern Itawamba County. Already some storms moving through the Sandy Springs area, basically north of Mantagee over toward the Friendship area, Eggville. And then as we go up here into parts of northwest Alabama, we have some thunderstorms there as well. Elsewhere, things are still dry, but when I say dry, I mean rain-free. I don't mean completely dry, because boy, is it humid out there. Temperatures in Starkville right now, 72. Winds are calm, so you're not seeing a whole lot in the way of a breeze this morning. That's just not going to happen a whole lot during the day today. Winds will be light and variable, mostly out of the southwest. Anywhere from 5 to 10 miles per hour through the morning. We'll still see about a 30% chance of these spotty showers and storms. You'll see some thunder and lightning, by the way, in the distance from Starkville. Those are the storms in North Mississippi you're seeing. 86 by 11 a.m. As we go into the afternoon, we're getting into the low 90s. We'll show you that here in a moment and talk about the heat index values as well. But here's a look at Storm Tracker. Spotty showers and storms this morning. By lunchtime, maybe a bit of a lull in the activity, but I still think we'll have some thunderstorms out there. Advance into the 3 o'clock hour. Here come more thunderstorms. These build into the 5 and 6 o'clock hour, and some of these could be stronger than the ones we had this morning. The ones this morning are a little more likely to produce the heavy rain, just kind of a nuisance for your morning commute. The afternoon thunderstorms will have frequent lightning, and they will also produce maybe some strong damaging wind gusts, but that may be a little more likely into the day tomorrow. We'll show you that here in a moment. As we go through the night, these storms kind of die off. We'll stay warm, we'll stay humid, maybe some patchy fog for early Saturday morning. And most of Saturday, it's just going to be downright hot and humid. Then as we go into Saturday evening, look at this right there at 6 p.m., we're dry. But watch what's coming as we go into the night. A large cluster of thunderstorms with strong damaging wind, frequent lightning, and maybe some small hail begins to move in sometime Saturday. We'll say early evening to late evening maybe, and then continue into the overnight. And this is a little more likely to produce that severe weather, and we're going to show you the threat levels here in just a few moments. Stay tuned to the next hour of WTVA 9 News today for that. Highs today. Let's talk about this, because this is going to be dangerous as well. Low 90s all across the north and the south. Heat index values will range between about 98 degrees today and 103. So it's going to be hot, and tomorrow may arguably be hotter. We'll get up to 93, but heat index values will be between about 100 and 105. Then as we go into your Sunday, that area of showers and storms Saturday night into Sunday morning, that might come with a little bit of a cold front that'll bring less humid air and slightly cooler temperatures, low and mid 80s for the first of next week. Morning lows should be in the lower 60s. That's going to make it probably the coolest it's been since early May. And then as we go into your Wednesday and Thursday, perhaps a little bit hotter and a little bit humid. Again, 86 Wednesday, 89 Thursday, with morning lows into the low and mid 60s. That's a look at your 7-day forecast. We'll have a closer look at those storm track Doppler. We'll track those storms, plus we'll talk more about heat index values and what you can expect into the day today.